what do you mean by COVID-19? It is coronavirus disease 2019. It is caused by a virus that can be passed from person to person. It started in December 2019 and quickly spread across the world. It severely affects the respiratory system. It even causes lung conditions like pneumonia. Guidelines and recommendations are frequently changing as we heard more about the virus and how it would attack. So, now let's talk about what is going on and what practical steps you can take to keep you and those around you safe and healthy. Now, how does it spread? It spreads through infected droplets. When infected person coughs or sneezes, they project droplets of virus out into the air. They can land on people around them. This is the most common way. Another way, they land on surfaces like door handles, elevator buttons, etc. If healthy person touches the surface that has droplets on it and touches eyes, mouth and nose, it's possible for them to get sick. These are the gateways of virus. So the less you touch them and less chance of getting infected. So please avoid touching your face. If the virus gets onto the skin, like on your hand, you need to wash it off with soap or hand sanitizer before it reaches out eyes, nose or mouth. It may be possible to pass the coronavirus to others when they are not showing signs of being sick. This is called as asymptomatic transmission. It often takes 2 to 14 days for being sick after being exposed to virus. Symptoms include fever, cough, body aches, trouble breathing, and less common symptoms like headache, sore throat, runny nose, and loss of taste and smell. Most of them with mild symptoms can recover even at home. But for some people who are with other health conditions, like they require hospitalization. And please cover your nose when you're sick. Your doctor can tell you what you should do. Take medications as prescribed and follow a proper diet. To begin with, wash your hands frequently with soap and water. Really, I know it sounds simple, but it has a big impact. For this to happen, you got to spend some time washing your hands at least for 20 seconds. Physical distancing limits the spread of infection and avoid spending time in crowds and groups. Finally, wear a proper mask covering nose and mouth.
Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.